Want a smooth zoom that punches in and looks pro? Like this. Today I'll show you keyframe zoom in CapCut. Beginner friendly. Keyframes are just start and end points. CapCut fills the movement for you. Step 1. Click your clip on the timeline. Step 2. Put the playhead where the zoom should start. Step 3. At the start point, click the diamond next to scale. Do the same for position. Step 4. Move the playhead forward about 1 second. Now, zoom in. Drag, scale up. Like 100, 2150, whatever looks good. Step 5. Reframe it. Click the video in the preview and drag to center the face or the slide text. Step 6. Preview it. Press play. If it's too fast, move the second keyframe farther away. Want to zoom back out? Go later, set scale back to 100 and center it again, and you're done. Smooth zoom with keyframes.